So now let us define sensitivity and specificity. We know sensitivity is the test result in the laboratory positive condition the patient is actually have the disease or the individual has actually have the disease. So how can you know that is the positive test result and the disease is present? That is the true positive. We know from the table, we know somebody have the positive test result and have the disease. That is by gold standard test. That is the called total true positive TP, and condition that is divided by the disease is present. That is how many patients actually have the disease. That is we got from this row we got it. So we got somebody total disease. Total disease, how many person actually in by gold standard test? A plus C, total disease, okay? And B plus is total normal. So this is the sensitivity. And we know what is the specificity? That is negative test result in the lab test condition the person or the individual is not suffering from the disease. That is the specificity. Then how can know that the negative test result and the disease is absent divided by the disease is absent, that the person is normal. So that is called true negative. That is we get from the table. That is somebody have the negative test result and also do not have the disease by gold standard test. That is D divided by total number of person that they have do not have the total normal BD. So this is the specificity. Okay. So total true negative divided by total normal, that is do not have the disease. Okay, you can get the specificity. And there is the other important term, accuracy. How the accurate the test is done by the laboratory test. This is very important term. How we can get the accuracy. So this is also accuracy. The laboratory test correctly identify the patient that the patient actually have the disease. Also, this is the correct answer. Laboratory test currently identify the negative test result, the patient, that is the patient actually have not the disease. That both are the correct answer. Now, this is the sensitivity, how we can understand accuracy of the test. This is the accuracy test. How many time the laboratory do the positive test result, true positive, true negative. That is the how truly the laboratory test identify the patient have the disease, actually the patient is suffering from disease, plus how correctly the negative the test result is negative by lab test condition that the patient is disease free. This is the accuracy divided by total patient. So A, B, C, all the patient. This is the accuracy of the test. So configuration of matrix, we can get the sensitivity, specificity. Also, we can get the accuracy of the test. Okay, this please remember this accuracy nothing but the true positive, true negative. How many times the correctly identify the positive test result by the lab, and how many times the lab correctly identify the patient that do not have the disease. So true negative, true positive, plus total number of individual in the test. Okay, this is the way you can get the accuracy of the test. Let us define the other terms. These are the correctly identification, sensitivity and specificity and the accuracy. But there's some other term. The mistake is done by that lab test. Okay. See, one of them is called false negative. That is the laboratory test. Get the test is negative condition. The patient is actually suffering from the disease. This is called false negative. That's falsely the lab identify the patient don't have the disease, but the patient have actually suffering from disease. The individual actually have the disease. This is one type of conditional probability that is called false negative. Falsely negative give the negative result by the lab. That is called false negative. Conditional probability, how can you get the negative test result and the disease present? That is you got C. If you go to the cell C, that is false negative. The test is negative identified by the lab test, but gold standard test the individual actually have the disease. False negative divided by, that is if you go there, divided by, that is the disease is present. So negatively identification by mistakenly the negative test mistakenly did by the lab test, that is called false negative. Okay, you can get it, false negative total disease. Okay, so this is same like the sensitivity, just their sensitivity correct answer divided total disease. So false negative nothing but 1 minus sensitivity. Okay, so if you do the, if you know the conditional probability, if you do 1 minus sensitivity, you will get the negative test result condition the disease is truly present. So this is you can know. sensitivity is nothing but 1 minus, similarly 1 minus false negative rate. Okay. Similarly, you can get the false positive result. False negative result is the negative test result. The disease is actually present, and false negative positive test is the positive test result by the lab test, but the disease is actually absent. That is the other mistake, other type of error that is done in the lab test. So nothing but the positive test result, the disease is absent. That is, if you go to the D, so this is nothing but the not D, the false positive. Okay, that is the false positive. So if you see B, yes, false positive, and that is the false positive result, the disease absent. So that is the nothing but the B, that is laboratory test give the false result, but that is the false result means false positive test, somebody identify as the disease, but actually that the patient or the individual do not have the disease. So this is the false positive divided by how many person or individual truly they are free from the disease. Okay, this is the false positive rate, that is false positive rate, but actually the patient is disease. So conditional probability you can get it, that how many patient have the false positive divided by the total number of people actually are free from the disease, that is the BD. So you can similarly false negative is a 1 minus sensitivity, and false positive 1 minus specificity. Similarly 1 minus false positive will be specificity. Okay, these are the two error can be calculated by the conditional probability. One is false negative rate, it is called false negative rate or false positive rate. So there are false negative rate, the large value of sensitivity and specificity imply that small value of negative and false rate. So when you will get the correct answer for sensitivity and specificity, your false result or mistake or error will be less. So this is, so as it's more, that is the better. Okay, so you'll get the good result. Let's just go to the next slide. There is some other term we very commonly use, that is called predicted value positive. So we learn that is the sensitivity is the correct answer, that is laboratory test do for the patient have the actual disease. Specific the correct answer, negative test by laboratory test, the patient or the individual don't have the disease. There are some other thing commonly used, that is called predicted value positive. That is the person actually have the disease, condition that the lab test result also positive. That is called predictive value positive. Okay, this is also known as precision of the test. Okay, very important term. So how we can understand the test is precise, that is somebody probability somebody truly have the disease also found positive in the lab test. This is nothing, this is the opposite of not of sensitivity. Sensitivity is a true test result condition the patient is actually from the disease. So somebody actually have the disease, what is the condition? That is who will be identified also a positive test result by the lab. This is called true positive, true value, predictive value positive or precision of the test. Okay, how we can get similarly like that. So here will be true positive and total test positive. Okay, the because the the conditional probability dA condition B equal to A and B divided by B. So A and B or B and A same. So the disease present and positive test result and positive test result and disease present same. So total true positive, only for the sensitivity we divide the total disease person, but here specificity for the predictive value positive, total test positive. How many test result we got the, so here see A plus B, how many person get the positive test result by the lab. This is we can get the value for predictive value positive. This is called predictive value or precision of the test. Okay, please remember, if a question come what is the precision of the test, we have to do the predictive value positive. Okay, now there is a other term, as we get predictive value positive we will have the predictive value negative. Nothing but here we got the patient is actually have the, what is the somebody have the actual disease, what is the condition probability, the test will be also positive. Here somebody actually do not have the disease, the normal, what is the condition, the test also will give the negative result. This is called predicted value. This will be predicted value negative. Sorry, this will be predicted value negative. So let me correct it. Otherwise, so this is called predicted value negative. Okay, please do it. Predicted value negative. So when somebody actually have the disease, what is called the condition, the test also will be negative. That is called predicted value negative. And we can do by true negative value divided by total test negative. How many individual got the negative test result? That is if we go there. So that is true negative and the test result is negative. Total test negative, C, D. So D condition divided by C plus D, you will get the predicted value. We'll get the, let us see. Predictive value negative. So, okay. So, predictive value positive is the somebody actually have the disease, or is the that is the test also give the positive test result. And predictive value negative will be somebody do not have the disease, actually have the disease, and condition the test result is also negative. That is, in negative positive test result, what is the probability that somebody with true disease will get probability, and this is the in negative test result, the probability that will actually somebody have the how many, or the probability that actually do not have the disease. So true predictive value positive and predictive value negative. And there is another term that is called likelihood ratio. Okay, likelihood ratio is measured by sensitivity 1 minus specificity. Okay, in some test we have to do likelihood ratio, need to do likelihood ratio. So we can do by sensitivity 1 minus specificity. Okay, next we will do example that will be more easier to us.